Ready? Dictation. Start. The POSCO Act 2012 means Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. It is a very important law made by the government of India to protect children below 18 years of age. This act came into force on 14th November 2012, which is celebrated as Children's Day. The main purpose of this act is to give safety to children from sexual abuse and sexual exploitation. This law is gender neutral. It means this act gives equal protection to both boys and girls. The punishment under this act is very strict and hard. Under this act, sexual assault is a serious crime. If any person touches the private parts of a child with bad intention, it is called sexual assault. The punishment for this crime is jail for 3 to 5 years and fine. If a person commits penetrative sexual assault on a child, the punishment is not less than 10 years of jail and it can go up to life imprisonment. Full stop change. The act also covers sexual harassment. If any person shows bad pictures or videos to a child or uses bad words with sexual meaning, it is sexual harassment. Child pornography is also a big crime under this act. Making, keeping, or sharing sexual photo or videos of children is illegal. A very important rule of this act is mandatory reporting. If any person has information that a child is being sexual abused, he must inform the police. If he does not inform, he can also be punished. The name and identity of the children victim must be kept secret. No newspaper or TV channel can show the name or photo of the child. For fast justice, the government has made special courts in every district. These courts must finish the trial within 1 year. The police must record the statement of the child at this home or any other safe place. A lady police officer will talk to the child in a friendly way. Full stop change. Under this act, the court will presume that the accused person is guilty until he proves himself innocent. This is called reverse burden of proof. The child victim also gets help for medical treatment and compensation from the government for his rehabilitation. In short, the POSCO Act is a strong weapon to stop crimes against children. Every citizen should know about this law. We must create a safe society for our children because children are the future of our nation. Thank you.